Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a very exciting unboxing. I always say I'm excited, but truly I am for this one because I have a new handbag from Loewe and it is at an affordable price point, and I think it is the perfect summer handbag. And I feel like there's not a lot of people that talk about this handbag. A lot of people show the anagram sort of basket bags, and I did pick that up. I will link the video somewhere here. I think I bought it maybe 4 years ago and I ended up returning it just because it wasn't for me, but this one 100% I would recommend. And like I said, I don't see a lot of people talking about it. I love Loewe. This is now I think my 5th handbag by them, and then I also have an SLG. I feel like they're very minimal, but if you know, you kind of know the signature anagram, and I feel like their quality first and foremost is probably the best out of any of the handbag brands that I have. I do also really like a lot of my, I only have 2 Saint Laurent bags, but I do like the quality of them too. But let's just open it up. So I bought this from Holt Renfrew. Originally I was looking at the anagram check square pocket in Araca Palm and classic calfskin. I'll put a picture somewhere on the screen. I was looking at the green color. The pink is also really pretty. They had this in store when I went, and so I did get to see it, but I knew going in that this would be a little bit too small for my lifestyle. So let's open it up. I purchased mine from Holt Renfrew. It was actually cheaper. It is still cheaper on Holt Renfrew than on the Loewe site. So on Loewe here in Canada, at least, they include sort of the taxes, duties, everything in the final price. So it was cheaper at Holt Renfrew. So let's open it up. They didn't come with a box. We don't have an actual freestanding Loewe store here in Vancouver. It's within Holt Renfrew itself. I think Toronto is the first Canadian city to actually get a Loewe site or a Loewe. What is that noise? I have been waiting for 45 minutes. I don't know if you can hear that noise. Hopefully you can't. The neighbors above me, they're doing something and it just sounds like they're, I don't know, vacuuming their vents or something. But anyway, I really want to get this filmed. So I think I was just saying there's no freestanding stores, Loewe stores here in Vancouver. So I had to go to the Holt Renfrew, which was fine because this was actually cheaper than the Loewe site. So let's open this up. The sales associate was really nice. She was telling me when I went to get it and she grabbed just the demo, she was saying, I don't know if there's any actually left. She's like, well, I'll go check for you. And she came back with a brand new one, so I was really happy. So no box. She did ask me if I wanted the Holt Renfrew box, but I honestly, I don't need another box. So let's open it up. It always comes with 2 dust bags, sort of the outer dust bag, then an inner dust bag. But I have seen this obviously because I went in the store, but I'm excited to show you. So here it is. So cute. This is called the Slit Pochette in raffia and calfskin. On the Loewe site, they had this color as well as the collection with Paula Biza. So they have it in a meadow green and a honey gold, and it's all monochromatic. I'll insert some pictures, but I wanted to go with the OG light raffia with the beautiful caramel brown leather. It's beautiful, and I feel like it will go with if I'm wearing like a black or if I'm wearing lighter colors as opposed to sort of the brighter green. And I love the original kind of lighter raffia. So this has a crossbody or shoulder strap. It is adjustable. The sales associate told me here that I just need to pull this leather through if I want to make it a bit shorter, which I definitely appreciate because I do like a higher crossbody. And then the other major update with this version is that it has the leather zipper pull there. So the ones prior I had seen, I think it was Lydia Tomlinson had shown this, and it had the drawstring. It almost looked like a dust bag that was put inside and then a drawstring closure. So it kind of stuck out and you'd have to, you know, tuck it back in. And I didn't like that one because it's not as secure. And I am planning on using this for traveling. That's why I bought it, because it's lightweight and it has a zipper pull and it's summery. So that's why I chose it. But also I find that with the drawstring closure, if your hands are dirty, like if you're at the beach and you're drinking, I don't know, pop or whatever, eating or whatever, and you open up your bag, sometimes with the drawstring closure, because it's cloth, it can get dirty. So I definitely appreciate the leather pull, and it has gold hardware, as you can see here. It's a very minimal bag, but I do appreciate that they put this really long leather zipper pull there. I just think it's cool. I am planning to add some bag charms to this to kind of zhuzh it up and make it a little bit more tropical and fun. But like I said, I do appreciate this sort of long little zipper pull that they put there. And then opening it up, it's bare bones. Just the authenticity stuff, and then there's no pocket on the inside. However, if you can see, there is the canvas lining, which I love because, as I mentioned before, a lot of the bucket bags don't have that canvas lining, and I've seen people do the hack where they kind of put a dust bag in or they sew a dust bag in, but I love the fact that this has already taken care of it. So it adds a little bit of structure to it, but it just ensures that you're not sort of scratching up the raffia and it becomes loose when you throw things on the inside, because it's going to be rubbing around in there. And then the last thing you want is for, you know, in a bag that's, you know, more expensive to get sort of ruined. So I do like that they put that inner lining in there. So it's very minimal, but like I said, I do love it. Price point of that, let me tell you how much this costs. Where's my phone? It is cheaper to buy this through Holt Renfrew. So on the Loewe site, I was going to check out, this is $1,190 all in. So Loewe, I don't know how they calculate it because I don't know if it's different because I'm based in BC, but it's $1,190. That's what was showing up. And when I went to the final sort of like last step before checking out, that's still the price it gave me, including all taxes, fees, everything. So if you're in the States, it's definitely going to be cheaper. At Holt Renfrew online, when I saw the price, I was like, okay, I'm just going to order through there. It was $990 Canadian. Even with that extra 12% tax added in here in BC, that added on $100, so it's still only $1,990, which I'm like, oh, it's only. But I saved $100, which I will take. And if you decide to even save more money, you can order through Rakuten, and if you live in an area with a Holt Renfrew, you can order online, go through Rakuten, and then do an in-store pickup. I did consider that because then that's an extra $20, but I did want to see the bag in person. But I mean, if you want to, I could have, you know, gone home, ordered it, and then picked it up the next day, but I was just so excited that they had it, and so I just bought it. So love this handbag. I think it's perfect for the summer. The only thing that I would change if I could is that I would make the straps removable. I think if they're removable, it would make the bag even better, because then you could use it as a clutch. If you wanted to, like, transition it, like, you know, I love to use handbags multiple different ways. So if this strap is removable, that would be awesome. But I love the fact that it is adjustable. I love the fact that now they've updated it and there is that zipper pull and it is lined. So for me, this is way more functional than having a basket bag. I know the basket bag, it looks cool, but for traveling, it doesn't make sense for me, just because I want to have the security and I want to just be hands-free all the time. I think if you're going to the beach or you're, you know, going for like a stroll, that the basket bag is very cute. But again, it's just not practical because it's not lined on the inside and it's just kind of bulky too. A lot of them are bulky. They're a little bit wider and they stick out. This is very slim, so it's just very flush against the body, which I love. I grabbed some items to show you. So again, here is my phone. Fits in with a ton of room, I have my mini pochette. Let's put that one in. I have a wallet here, which is, I mean, it's not like a super bulky wallet. I tried to grab sort of my biggest wallet, so there we go. And still, just a ton of room. It's perfect. Honestly, it will hold all your essentials, especially if you're traveling too. You can throw your passports in there if you want. You could probably even put a water bottle in here. Like a smaller water bottle, I think would fit in here. So I think it has an ample amount of room for what you would need to take with you. So love this. And again, because it is leather, And sorry, raffia, it is so lightweight. I can't say enough good things about this. It's so cute. It looks better when it's even filled up like that, as opposed to being empty. So there you go. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. Let me know your thoughts. What do we think about this little cutie here? Is this a bag that you would get? And if you have any suggestions for me for different sort of summer raffia handbags, please leave them down below, because now that I have one, I mean, now I'm kind of hooked on how light it is and how just sort of beachy and summery it is, and it just makes me feel happy. So I will link everything down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!